Hi, in this video we will be talking about secret formula to achieving millionaire status. Watch this video to the end to learn secret formula and unravel the key principles that pave the way to millionaire status. Welcome back to the motivation source. Becoming a millionaire is a dream shared by many but realized by few. It's a symbol of financial freedom, success, and accomplishment. It requires dedication, discipline, and a strategic approach. Over the years, numerous individuals have attained this coveted status, each with their unique journey and strategies. Yet, amidst these diverse paths, there exists a common thread, a secret formula, if you will, that underpins their success. Let's delve into this secret formula and unravel the key principles that pave the way to millionaire status. Mindset shift. The journey to becoming a millionaire begins with a shift in mindset. It involves cultivating a mindset of abundance, perseverance, and unwavering belief in one's capabilities. Millionaires understand the power of thoughts and the impact they have on shaping their reality. They embrace a positive outlook, viewing obstacles as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. By adopting a millionaire mindset, individuals set themselves on the path to success, paving the way for wealth creation and financial abundance. Financial literacy. One cannot achieve millionaire status without a deep understanding of finances. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of wealth creation, encompassing knowledge of budgeting, investing, saving, and debt management. Millionaires educate themselves relentlessly about money matters, continuously seeking to expand their financial acumen. They understand the importance of making informed decisions regarding investments, minimizing risks, and maximizing returns. Through ongoing learning and adaptation, they navigate the complex world of finance with confidence and expertise. Strategic planning. Successful millionaires do not leave their financial future to chance. Instead, they engage in strategic planning, setting clear goals and devising a roadmap to achieve them. Whether it's through creating a detailed budget, crafting an investment strategy, or establishing multiple streams of income, millionaires are proactive in designing their financial destiny. They recognize the significance of long-term planning and exercise discipline in adhering to their financial objectives. By setting milestones and tracking their progress, they stay focused and motivated on their journey to millionaire status. Hard work and persistence. Behind every millionaire lies a story of hard work, perseverance, and resilience. Contrary to popular belief, achieving millionaire status is rarely an overnight success. It requires years of dedication, sacrifice, and relentless effort. Millionaires are not afraid to roll up their sleeves and put in the work necessary to reach their goals. They understand that success is not linear and are prepared to weather setbacks and challenges along the way. Through sheer determination and persistence, they overcome obstacles and emerge stronger, inching closer to their millionaire aspirations with each stride. Smart investing. Investing wisely is a fundamental aspect of wealth accumulation. They conduct thorough research, seeking out opportunities that align with their financial objectives and risk tolerance. Whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, businesses, or other asset classes, millionaires approach investing with a calculated mindset, always mindful of the potential rewards and pitfalls. Leveraging networks and resources. Networking plays a pivotal role in the journey to millionaire status. Successful millionaires understand the importance of building relationships and leveraging their networks to access valuable resources, opportunities, and insights. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals who inspire, challenge, and support them on their path to success. Additionally, millionaires are not afraid to seek guidance from mentors or professionals who can offer expert advice and guidance. By tapping into the collective wisdom of their network, they accelerate their progress and gain a competitive edge in their pursuit of millionaire status. Adaptability and innovation. The road to millionaire status is paved with change and uncertainty. Successful millionaires embrace adaptability and innovation, recognizing the need to evolve in response to shifting economic landscapes and market dynamics. They remain agile and open-minded, willing to explore new opportunities and pivot when necessary. Whether it's capitalizing on emerging trends, embracing disruptive technologies, or venturing into uncharted territories, millionaires exhibit a willingness to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. By embracing change rather than fearing it, they position themselves for long-term success and sustainable wealth creation. Generosity and giving back. Despite their financial success, millionaires understand the importance of giving back to society and making a positive impact on the world. Many philanthropic millionaires allocate a portion of their wealth towards charitable endeavors, supporting causes that resonate with their values and beliefs. By giving back to their communities and contributing to meaningful causes, they not only make a difference in the lives of others but also experience a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose. Ultimately, they recognize that true wealth extends beyond monetary riches and encompasses making a meaningful difference in the world. In conclusion, achieving millionaire status is not an elusive dream reserved for the fortunate few but a tangible goal attainable through dedication, discipline, and strategic planning. By embracing the secret formula outlined above, a mindset shift, financial literacy, strategic planning, hard work, smart investing, leveraging networks and resources, adaptability and innovation, and generosity, individuals can chart a course towards financial abundance and realize their millionaire aspirations. Remember, the journey to millionaire status may be challenging, but with perseverance and determination, success is within reach. So dare to dream big, believe in yourself, and embark on the transformative journey towards millionaire status. Risk management. While taking risks is often necessary for financial growth, successful millionaires understand the importance of prudent risk management. They carefully assess the risks associated with each opportunity and take calculated risks that align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Moreover, they diversify their investments across different asset classes and industries to minimize the impact of potential losses. By balancing risk and reward, millionaires safeguard their wealth while capitalizing on lucrative opportunities that can propel them towards millionaire status. Continuous improvement. The journey to millionaire status is a continuous process of growth and improvement. Successful millionaires are committed to lifelong learning and personal development, constantly seeking to expand their knowledge, skills, and expertise. They invest in themselves through books, courses, workshops, and mentorship programs, honing their abilities and staying abreast of industry trends. Moreover, they embrace feedback and constructive criticism, using it as a catalyst for self-improvement and growth. By prioritizing continuous improvement, millionaires position themselves for long-term success and prosperity. Discipline and delayed gratification. Achieving millionaire status requires discipline and a willingness to delay gratification. Millionaires understand that financial success is not about instant gratification but rather about making disciplined choices and sacrifices in the present for the sake of future prosperity. They prioritize long-term goals over short-term desires, exercising restraint in their spending and lifestyle choices. Moreover, they adhere to a savings plan, consistently setting aside a portion of their income for investment and wealth accumulation. By practicing discipline and delayed gratification, millionaires build a solid foundation for financial success and stability. Focus on value creation. Successful millionaires understand that wealth is ultimately derived from creating value for others. Whether it's through launching a successful business, providing innovative products or services, or adding value to existing enterprises, millionaires focus on creating value that resonates with their target audience. They prioritize customer satisfaction and strive to exceed expectations, building a loyal customer base and generating sustainable revenue streams. By focusing on value creation rather than mere profit-seeking, millionaires lay the groundwork for long-term success and prosperity. Resilience in the face of adversity. The journey to millionaire status is fraught with challenges, setbacks, and failures. However, successful millionaires possess resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity stronger and more determined than ever. They view obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning, refusing to be deterred by temporary setbacks. Moreover, they maintain a positive outlook and perseverance in the face of adversity, channeling setbacks into fuel for their ambition. By cultivating resilience and tenacity, millionaires navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship and wealth accumulation with grace and fortitude. Passion and purpose. Behind every successful millionaire lies a deep sense of passion and purpose. They align their actions with their core values and beliefs, channeling their energy towards endeavors that resonate with their passions. Moreover, they find fulfillment in their work, deriving meaning and satisfaction from making a positive impact on the world. Embracing failure as a stepping stone. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey to millionaire status. However, successful millionaires view failure not as a roadblock but as a stepping stone to success. They embrace failure as an opportunity for growth and learning, extracting valuable lessons from their mistakes and using them to refine their approach. By embracing failure as a natural part of the entrepreneurial journey, millionaires cultivate resilience and tenacity, propelling them towards greater heights of success. Giving back to others. Successful millionaires understand the importance of giving back to others and making a positive impact on the world. They use their wealth and influence to support charitable causes, uplift disadvantaged communities, and create a legacy of philanthropy. Moreover, they actively seek out opportunities to mentor and empower others, sharing their knowledge, experience, and resources to help others achieve their goals. By giving back to others, millionaires not only make a meaningful difference in the lives of those less fortunate but also experience a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose. Maintaining balance and well-being. Achieving millionaire status is not just about accumulating wealth but also about maintaining balance and well-being in all aspects of life. Successful millionaires prioritize their physical, mental, and emotional health, recognizing that true wealth encompasses more than just financial prosperity. They make time for self-care, relaxation, and leisure activities, ensuring they recharge and rejuvenate themselves regularly. Moreover, they cultivate meaningful relationships with family and friends, nurturing connections that bring joy and fulfillment to their lives. By prioritizing balance and well-being, millionaires sustain their success and happiness over the long term. In conclusion, achieving millionaire status is not a destination but a journey characterized by dedication, discipline, and unwavering determination. Remember, the path to millionaire status may be challenging, but with perseverance and commitment, success is within reach. So dare to dream big, believe in yourself, and embark on the transformative journey towards millionaire status. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on The Motivation Source. See you next time.